Hey everybody, welcome to Back Porch Cooking and Reminiscing. I'm Roger and glad to have y'all here with us today. So y'all, back when I was a kid, my mom used to make barbecued ribs, and she always used the country style ribs, and sometimes they were bone in, sometimes they were bone out. Now I haven't had the barbecue ribs like she made them in a long time. So we've decided today that's what we're going to make. We're going to do barbecued ribs in the oven, but we've got a little something special that we do to our ribs before we put the barbecue sauce on them. So y'all sit back, relax, get you something cold to drink, and I'm going to show you how my mama used to make barbecued ribs.
Yeah. Porch boards sway in a slow rhythm. Got the screen door sighing a low hum. That old wood stove is cooking something good. Smell of bacon filling up the neighborhood.
All right, so let's get started seasoning up our ribs. And I found these ribs, they had them on sale at one of the local stores the other day, and didn't realize they were bone in until I got them home, but they do have a ton of meat on them, and that bone being in them should be just delicious. So, what we do that's a little bit different is we put some Montreal Steak Seasoning on our ribs. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit on there. We're going to turn it over. Get us some on this side. All right. Do the same thing to this one. I tell you, this Montreal steak seasoning for me is one of the greatest seasonings that there is. It'll pretty much make anything taste great. And I'm setting these with the bone in down. Don't know whether it actually will help anything or not, but that's just the way that my mama always done it when she got the bone in ones. All right, so we got that done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put aluminum foil over top of this, put maybe just a little bit of water in there just to get some steam built up, and we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven. And after they've cooked for a little while, we're going to take them out and we're going to brush some barbecue sauce on them. And that is going to make them delicious. So right now I'm going to get some aluminum foil. We're going to wrap it and go in a 350-degree oven. All right, guys. So our ribs have been cooking for about 2 hours now, and low and slow. So it does take a little longer, but we've put some barbecue sauce on them. And we're using the Cooper's Mill sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. And we do have this in our Etsy shop. I think it comes as a 2-pack. There's the sweet and smoky, and then I think there's also one that's a honey barbecue sauce. So if y'all interested in any of those, go on the Etsy shop and take a look. We'll leave a link in the description. But we're going to take these now, and I drained the excess juice off of them because I didn't want that barbecue sauce to get really watery. But we're going to put them back in the oven now, uncovered, just long enough to kind of caramelize this barbecue sauce. So shouldn't be too much longer. So we left our ribs in the oven uncovered for about 10, somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes, just long enough for that barbecue sauce to caramelize. So they're ready now. We've taken them out. We're going to let them rest for just a few minutes, and then we're going to make us a plate and get ready to taste them. So here we have our plate for tonight. We've got our ribs. We've got some of our homemade potato salad. and I'll leave you the link in the description for the potato salad video. And then Audrey made up a little bit of barbecue baked beans, and we got a couple of Sister Schubert dinner rolls on the plate. So I think we're ready to give it a taste and see if it's any good. All right, we got us some of this rib meat here. It is beautiful, smells so good, and we're going to try it out and see if it tastes as good as it smells. Mm. Oh, it's so tender. Guys, those ribs are out of this world. They're tender, they're juicy. Barbecue sauce is great. And honestly, I'm not a huge barbecue sauce fan, but this Cooper's Mill barbecue sauce is really good. So again, y'all check out the Etsy shop. You may want to get you some of this. Ribs are great. I tasted the potato salad before we got back on camera, so I know it's great. And so follow that recipe that we've got that I'm going to leave you the link for, and you'll have you some great potato salad. It's the same potato salad that we served in the restaurant. Only difference is I do put egg in my potato salad. Now, what we did at the restaurant and the recipe does not have egg in it, but you can feel free to put you some in there if you want to. All right, so guys, I hope you'll make this for your family. Share this recipe for these oven baked ribs, because it's a whole lot easier than going out and fooling with a smoker, and then if you haven't got a smoker, it's very much easier. So make these for your family, share them with your friends. I think you will enjoy them, and your family will love you for it. All right, guys, one last thing. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave us a comment. Tell us how you like your ribs, with sauce, without sauce. If you only smoke them, or if you've ever tried them in the oven, just let us know. We appreciate y'all being here today, and hope you'll check out our other videos. I just looked, and we've got like 100 and I think 87 videos, maybe 88 videos, 188 videos on the channel, and we've got a lot of good recipes on there. So y'all check out those other recipes, not just what we are uploading now. And I will say that when I first started out, the first few videos were kind of long, and you may want to just skip through them because I didn't know what I was doing back then. But we've made enough, and as I told y'all not long ago, it's been a year since we started the YouTube channel, and so I've learned a lot of things in the past year. And so I hope my videos have gotten better as time has gone by. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.